Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change a cabin air filter on a 2012 Golf GTI. So right now we are in the passenger front footing area. So the first thing you want to do is take off these two little screws. This is under the glove box. So this is going to help you get this lining off to get to the actual cabin air filter. So take that off and then take the other screw off right next to it. And then what you can do is work this lining off. So just, start from one side, go to the other, just gently pull it and it should come out. And then you can see the actual cabin air filter in the back, the unit that it's in. So what you want to do is slide off the cover. So see right here, slide that off and the cabin air filter basically almost falls out. So once you get that cover off, go ahead and gently take the old cabin air filter out. You're going to have to kind of bend it a little bit, so just be careful. So once you get it out, then basically everything is in reverse order. So go ahead and get your new air filter, put that in. Make sure it's the same way as the old filter because airflow is important, obviously. So go ahead and put it in there, work it in there gently. And then go ahead and put the cover back on. So make sure that the little slots there are inside the air filter itself, and then slide the cover into place so the air filter stays in place. There you go. So slide it on. And then go ahead and work that cover back on. So start from the back and then put the little tab thingies in the front here. Put those up into under the glove box. And then make sure it's all flat and everything. And then you can, once you've, made sure it's flat, then you can put in the two remaining screws to hold it into place. So here you go, here's the first one. And obviously the second one is on the other side. And that's basically it. So if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.